What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I just wanted to share that Spectroads is still going good, no issues. And today I moved up to level 7, so now I'm making $7 a day now. Yeah, I'll be tomorrow when my ads are served. I'll be making $7.60, and my goal is to get to Route 12. And tomorrow I'll do another video and I'll let you know how many bonus ad points that you lose. I think it's like 15,000 here because it's gonna be more than it was Group 6. Group 6 was 9,900 every day. This is gonna be. I think I seen a video. I think it's about 15,000. And as you go into the higher groups, you're gonna lose more bonus ad points. So if you're still looking for a way to make money online and you don't have a lot of money, you could come into this for free and you can just surf these ads. But it's gonna take you some time because you gotta get to 1,600 points, and this is about 150 points. So you add that up, so maybe 10. So 11 days you will have to come in here every day and surf to get your 1,600 points. But once you get to 1,600 points, you're gonna lose bonus ad points. So it's gonna be a struggle trying to, because you're gonna drop right back down to zero, and you're gonna probably have to do this for 2 more days to get back to 1,600. So it's best to come in here with some type of money. But that's basically it for this video. I just want to share that I'm at Group 7 and I'm going up. And tomorrow I'll be back with another video tomorrow, um, showing to tell you how many bonus ad points that I lost. So like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.